Today, we will be teaching this novice Newton's 3 laws of motion. As a matter of fact, each of his laws occur in our everyday lives.
Whoa!
Let's start with the first law. Newton's first law deals with inertia.
What's that?
Inertia means that when an object is at rest, it will remain at rest unless acted on by an outside force, like this. As you can see, this scooter is not moving by itself. But when Jack stands on the scooter and applies force against the ground, the wheels move and Jack goes forward. If he was to come to a sudden stop, his body would keep moving forward in the direction it was going. Now that you know Newton's first law, we can demonstrate his second law. This law is expressed as force equals mass times acceleration. We have 2 containers here, one with no water and the other filled with water. This means the containers' masses are different. Jack will now slide each across the table. Which was easier to push, Jack?
The empty one.
That's right. The reason for that is because the more mass an object has, then it will have less acceleration. If Jack applies more force to the container, the more acceleration it will have. Finally, the last law. This is known as action-reaction.
What does that mean?
Glad you asked. This means that every action has an opposite reaction. Let's explain in style. When Jack throws this ball at the wall, the ball bounces off the wall and back at Jack. If the ball exerts a force on the wall exerts an equal and opposite force on the ball. Thanks for watching. We hope you understand everything about Newton's 3 laws of motion. Do you?
Yeah.
Good. The fridge just turned on.
Oh, nice.
Ready? Okay. Finally, the last law. Finally, the last law. This is known as action-reaction.
What's that mean?
Well, Let's try again.